Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is entitled Brats Meet Karma After Shoplifting Spree. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about. Man, people love stealing.
5 seconds to comply. I will spray everybody in this car. Get out. Start getting people out of the car now.
On June 10th, 2023, officers in New Jersey confronted a group of thieves who attempted to steal thousands of dollars worth of merchandise from a store.
In Jersey? Yeah, it's over. It's only her.
All right, seven, they're leaving. They're leaving in a red sedan. I can't get the plate. They're all blacked out right now.
All right, now turn the vehicle off. Turn the vehicle off. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
Caught him?
Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Turn the car off. Turn the vehicle off. Stay in the car. Get 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 in the car.
Don't touch me. I'm getting in the car. I got
We need more units. Stop. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
All right, I'm about to get in the car.
Get off me.
All right, get off me. Why are you touching me? I'm getting in the car. I'm getting in the car.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I will drop you. I will drop you.
Damn, my boy sound a little yeah, never mind. I ain't even gonna go there. You hear me? But yeah, boy sound a little but anyways, why are they getting out the car? The only reason that they would be getting out the car is because they probably plan on taking off when they get a little closer or something. Because, you know, the cop, or another method would be if they stayed in the car, wait for the officer to get out of the car. When he starts walking, then they take off. You know what I mean? But they tried to get out the car. So I'm thinking, okay, they're going to get out the car, kind of separate a little bit, give a little bit of space between the two suspects, right? The friends or whatever it is. And then when the officers get a little close, probably take off, run it, you know, scatter different ways. So that way, you know, they got to pick and choose. Because that's like what happened with that one officer. But it's just one female. She can't catch all of them. I'm surprised they caught them, though. But I want to rewind it a little bit, because did she fall? Like, yeah, she can't get all of them. Wow, that's crazy.
Let's change now.
All right, seven, they're leaving. They're leaving in a red sedan. I can't get the plate. They're all blacked out right now.
Shorty sound defeated, man.
All right, now turn the vehicle off. Turn the vehicle off. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. Turn the car off. Turn the vehicle off. Stay in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
All right, one last thing, and then one last thing, and I'm gonna let it rock. I'm telling you, I'm gonna let it rock. Everything, I'm gonna let it rock. I ain't gonna say too much more. But the thing is that stay in the car. They get out of the car, want to do whatever they want to do. Now, as a result of that, if they end up getting seriously hurt, all you gonna do, you gonna see the parents out there like, oh, police brutality. Police brutality. But look at the origin of the situation is you got some badass kids that can't listen. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm zipping it up and I'm gonna let it rock.
Don't touch me. I'm getting in the car. I got
We need more units.
Stop.
Turn around. Turn around.
All right, I'm about to get in the car.
Get off me.
All right, get off me. Why are you touching me? I'm getting in the car. I'm getting in the car.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I will drop you. I will drop you. One more units. Stay. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Right, you're not going to tell me what to do.
Okay, could you get off my jacket? That's influence. Stop. I'm about to get in the car.
I need more units out here.
I'm about to get in the car. I'm getting in the car.
Get off the car. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Give me the keys.
You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Get in the car.
Get off the car. Get out of the car. Get the car. Get off my way. Give me the keys. Get out of the car. I will rip you out of the car.
What the fuck?
Give me the keys. Take the keys out of the ignition. Give us the
I've been turned it on.
All right, toss the key.
Why is y'all on me? What happened? What happened?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car!
Rip me out my clothes?
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out the car!
I have nothing to do with nothing. I'm not, no, bro, no, bro. Come on, son, that's some shit, bro. Y'all didn't tell me none of that. No, bro, I'm not, no. Come on. You're the sergeant, right? You're the sergeant.
I am the sergeant, yes.
All right, I want to talk.
You gotta start cooperating. I'm telling you right now, start cooperating. I will start spraying everybody in this car if you don't step out. Get out of the car.
I ain't do nothing.
You got 5 seconds to comply.
I ain't do nothing.
You have 5 seconds to comply. 5 seconds to comply. I will spray everybody in this car. Get out. Start getting people out of the car. Now! Sir, I'm going to tell you one last time. Get out of the car.
I ain't doing anything.
Get out of the car. Get him out of the Start getting him out of the car. Get out. Get out of the car. Get out.
I didn't even take anything.
I don't care. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car. Stop touching me.
Get out of the car. All right, that's it. Just start spraying. Will, get him.
Stop touching me.
Yeah. Put him in cuffs. Everybody's under cuffs. Put your foot. Get it out of the car. You have 1 more second to comply. All right, spray. Sorry, spray.
You gonna miss me?
I will miss you if you don't get out of the car. Comply. I'm not gonna say it again. Get out of the car.
You pulling on me too hard, though. I don't care.
Then comply. Get out of the car.
I'm getting out.
Out. Now, come on.
Can I get my shoe?
Come on. Let's go.
I'm coming. I need my shoe. I'm coming.
All right, we have 4 detained out here.
1 second. You keep trying to make me. He's trying to make me.
Get out of the car.
That's not how you comply.
Get out of the car.
Hello, you're not complying right.
I'm not spraying, Sergeant. You're going to spray the other guy out on the other side. All right. I will tell him to hurry up and get out of the car then. Because you're all going to get it.
I'm not being entertained. I didn't take anything.
You're under arrest at this point, so get out the car.
Where you at? He's pulled over.
All right.
Stop pulling me.
Sarge. They know that we're compliant. Spray him. All right. If I OC. OC to point. Get out of the car. Somebody stay with him.
Why are y'all doing
Get out. Get out of the car. Get over here.
Got hit with that act right.
Complying.
Get off me.
Yes, sir.
Start.
You thought that was. Now you want
Get
fries?
out.
Wait, why you hurt?
Get about the car. What?
Car. I'm not
this
telling
was.
you. I'm done. Any more hands would have been helpful. Start complying. Right now, get out of the car.
I can't.
Put your
Oh,
hands
yeah.
behind your back.
Oh, yeah.
This time I got the broken leg.
Okay, well then you should have complied in the first place, shouldn't you? Somebody get cuffs. Nice girl out. Anyway. Okay. Put him on the curb. Boss it. Put him on the curb. I told y'all to get out of the car tonight. Let's go. Sit him up.
I cannot see anything, y'all. My leg is broken.
Sit down.
Put my hand in back.
That's third FD for OC. You okay?
No, can you put my hand?
Lean up.
Can you sit down? My phone is right there. The car, can you get it?
Yeah. What?
My phone is.
I don't care what her phone is.
It's right here.
I don't care. Who cares?
All right, wipe my eye.
Right now you're under arrest.
Okay, I got.
Okay, we're not wiping your eyes right now.
I got
Not doing that.
asthma and it's burning
We
me.
got fire department coming over here to decontaminate you.
I got asthma.
19 dispatch, I'm gonna need a rig out of here for an injured officer.
Keep going.
Let's go. Unreal.
Yo, y'all not gonna help me?
No.
Yeah, we're helping you.
We got FD coming.
Yo, I just need my nose wiped, please.
Yeah,
They'll
okay.
be right here.
Start getting names.
Man, press your legs. I can't breathe.
You can breathe. Nobody's on you. You can breathe. It went in your eyes. You're all right. You're all right.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah. Hey, so I gotta get in the car and stuff like that.
What's up?
I gotta get in the car and stuff
Let me
like
get
that.
some car.
Oh, you're gonna take you in, yeah.
For what though? I really didn't have.
Bring 'em over here,
and
Heaters.
they said it. And they said it themselves. I had nothing to do with it.
Listen, we'll figure that in a second, all right?
So can my sister come get the car?
figure
And they
that.
broke the rear mirror. The right rear mirror.
Listen, man, if all you guys weren't fighting all of us, then
No,
there
I
would have
didn't.
been.
Did I
That
do
was
it?
not
I
you.
didn't
No,
do
no,
it.
it's not you. You're
I
not gonna
really
get an
didn't
extra.
do it.
You're not gonna get the charges for that. You pulled over. You did everything right. I appreciate
I
that.
didn't do anything at all. So
Listen, we're
we're
gonna.
gonna let you know.
Yes,
They
exactly.
will tell you. They're gonna let you know I didn't do anything.
All right. Listen,
Nothing's fixed.
I do appreciate you
Yeah.
you pulling over, and you
Yeah.
did, and you were the only one that complied and got out of the car.
Yeah.
It didn't have to go like
I
that.
did, cause I didn't know where.
How well do you know those guys?
I don't know any of them besides one of them.
Well, I bet you're gonna be more careful about who you let in your car now. Like I said, because even one of our guys got pretty hurt, so
Yeah.
they're definitely gonna get charged up pretty good.
Right.
You're not 26.
Yeah, but just come up here.
You're not 26 years old.
How old are you?
You're 27. At least that's the date of birth you gave me.
27. 96. 97.
We're in 23, right?
Yeah.
Do some math.
Oh, 23 plus 4.
Give him the keys to
Damn, I am 27.
Come on, how do you know?
Give him the keys.
Listen, bud. Apparently, you're coming in anyway, all right? All right. Sorry about this, man. I do appreciate cooperating, but you gotta.
Can I call
Will,
somebody,
hold on.
please? I really don't
Not
have
at this point, but inside.
They can come. No, can they get? No, can they come get the car?
You can't get the car, man.
What am I
Do you have any?
arrested for? Anything. I promise
Listen,
to
man,
God,
you'll be able
yo. I really
You'll be able to
can't.
talk to them in court about it, but unfortunately,
I'm getting charged with shoplifting and everything for
not.
nothing.
I don't know about the
Oh
shop.
my God, yo. What is they saying they taking me for?
Right now.
What did I obstruct? What did I do? Honestly.
Listen, hold on one second.
Seriously, man. What did I do to obstruct?
All right, man. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Can I call somebody, please?
Is your phone in the car?
My phone's in the bag.
Your phone's in the bag.
Get the car, please.
Listen, man. Have a seat, bud. Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat.
But I want
I can't get the car, man. You can't get the car. Have a seat.
where's the car?
P22 for that vehicle.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.